Global alert. Global alert. Global alert. This is not a test. The end is nigh. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, and the United Nations. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Citizens of Earth, immediate action is required. Due to the catastrophic cancellation of the television program TVOKids following the permanent ratification of their licensing agreements, a critical malfunction in the fabric of global reality has occurred. The four letters K, I, D, and S have manifested as sentient hostile entities. They have successfully breached the atmosphere and are currently traveling into deep outer space with the express intent of intercepting a massive extinction-level asteroid. These entities are utilizing the force brought on by the loss of the network to redirect this meteor toward our planet. Current projections from NORAD confirm that the meteor is planned to hit Earth within the next 15 minutes. There is no shelter, there is no evacuation, and there is no escape. Impact is imminent in total. Remain indoors, avoid all windows, and spend these final moments with your loved ones. All communication infrastructure will be deactivated shortly to conserve power for the final atmospheric stabilization efforts. We will sign off the final activation of the emergency alert system with one last playing of the national anthem.